In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently organize and manage your chart of accounts by turning on and assigning account numbers. This is a simple yet powerful way to streamline your accounting processes and ensure your financial records are easy to navigate. Let's dive in and walk through each step together. First, we begin by accessing our account settings. To do this, we need to go to the gear icon typically found in the upper corner of your dashboard. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu full of useful links and settings. From here, you'll want to select Account and Settings. This is where you can customize and adapt your accounting software to fit your specific business needs. Once you have opened your account and settings, look for the Advanced tab on the left sidebar. The advanced settings are crucial for fine-tuning how your accounting information is entered and displayed. By clicking on Advanced, you'll be taken to a new screen filled with various settings and options, allowing you to tailor your setup specifically to suit your requirements. Now, to enable account numbers, scroll down the Advanced page until you see the section labeled Chart of Accounts. This section is where you can modify how your accounts are displayed and managed. Here, you're specifically looking for the option to turn on account numbers. Toggles or checkboxes are typically used in software interfaces for easy activation or deactivation of features. In this case, you'll see an option to enable account numbers, and you should proceed by clicking on this toggle. Once you've done that, remember to save your changes. Saving ensures that all adjustments are stored and applied to your account setup. With account numbers now activated, it's time to edit your accounts and assign specific numbers. This step brings additional order and efficiency to your financial management. To begin this process, you'll need to navigate to the chart of accounts. You can find a link or option for this under the gear icon or in the navigation menu, depending on your software version. On the chart of accounts page, you'll see a list of all your current accounts. For each account, you'll want to click Edit. This action typically opens a configuration or settings window for that specific account. Within the Edit menu, you'll see a field where you can enter an account number. Assign each account a unique number, ensuring it aligns logically with your accounting hierarchy and industry standards. Numbering your accounts methodically can help greatly with reporting and organization. After assigning numbers to all relevant accounts, double-check your work to make sure each account number is unique and corresponds appropriately to the account type or category. Once satisfied, save your changes. Now, your chart of accounts is not only better organized, but also more efficient to use, which is invaluable when it comes to maintaining accurate records and generating reports. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've effectively activated account numbers and assigned them, making your accounting process much more streamlined. Thank you for tuning in, and as always, happy accounting.